You've probably seen those POV cycling videos where people ride their bikes in different locations and show everything from a first-person view. These videos look super cool, get crazy views, and often go viral. So today, I'll show you how to make the same kind of video completely for free. First, go to YouTube and search for POV cycling. You'll find many videos. Open the one you like and take a screenshot of the first frame. Next, come to ChatGPT. Go to Explore GPTs and search for Image Recreation Pro. Click Start Chat and upload the screenshot you took. Press Enter and wait for a moment. It will give you a JSON prompt. Then it will ask if you want an image generated from that prompt. Click Yes. After that, it will ask which ratio you want: TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. Select TikTok ratio because we want to post it on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels too. Wait a little and it will generate a high-quality image. You can even change the background later. Download the image, then go to Grok. Open the Imagine option and upload your image there. Before uploading, copy the JSON prompt ChatGPT gave you and paste it along with the image. Wait a bit and your viral-style video will be ready. It looks really cool. Now come back to ChatGPT. If you want to change the background, you can write something like, "Replace this mountain with a water park." This is just an example. The better your prompt, the better your image will look. Download the new image and upload it again in Grok. You don't even have to write anything. Grok already knows how to animate an image. And boom, your video is ready. It looks amazing. So you can make viral POV cycling videos in just 2 steps. Create them and upload them on all platforms. Sooner or later, one of them will go viral. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and buy.